let me explain to you what this quantitative comparison means. And for example, there are two boxes beside me. Box A has A plus C and block B has B plus D, with a condition that states that A is greater than B, B is greater than C, and C is greater than D. Now, if you compare these two boxes, since A is greater than B and C is greater than D, that will mean that box A is greater than box B. So you can now conclude from your answer that block A is greater than block B, which would be option A. Another example would be, there are two boxes beside me here, with box A having A minus C and box B having B minus C, with a condition that states that A is greater than B, B is greater than C, and then C is greater than 0. Now, since A is greater than B and A is greater than C, box A says A minus C, and box B says B minus C. So since A is greater than B, that would mean that block A is greater than block B. So you can conclude in your answer that block A is greater than block B, which will give you the option of choosing A. Now, in strategy 2, this is called make one box look like the other. Now, in this case, a direct comparison would be almost impossible. So you have to make one box look like the other before you can now compare them directly. An example would be, I have two boxes beside me here. Box A would have 2 into bracket x plus 1, and block B having 2x plus 2. Now if you check these two boxes, you cannot compare them directly. It will look a bit difficult for you to do. So the next thing would be to get rid of the parentheses in block A. If you do that, that would mean that you would have to multiply through by 2 in block A. Multiplying by 2 would give us 2x plus 2. Now in this case, block A is now looking like block B. When you compare, you will see that block A is equal to block B. So that would mean that you choose the option C, which says that block A is equal to block B.